Dear customers, this is a quote from ZIQI Compressor. We are very glad that you are interested in our products. First, let me introduce more about our company to you. ZIQI, founded in 2007, owns 50 years of professional experience in air compressor construction, approved by international ISO 9001 and CE certification. Today, I'm going to introduce ZIQI two-stage air compressor GAT-110ACF to you. Here's the main features. In layman's terms, two-stage compression means that two screw air ends are connected in series, and the compression ratio is changed to achieve compressed air. The advantages of ZIQI two-stage screw air end are mainly the following aspects. Firstly, energy saving. In principle, two-stage compression saves 18% of energy than single-stage compression. Secondly, low compression ratio also has two special advantages. One is to reduce internal leakage and improve volumetric efficiency. The other is to greatly reduce bearing load, improve bearing life, and prolong the life of the screw air end. Thirdly, high efficiency. In terms of the air output produced by the same power motor, the double stage is generally 15% higher than the single stage. Not only that, ZIQI two-stage compressor uses the WEG IE4 motor. WEG is the second biggest motor manufacturer in the world. This is the nameplate of the motor. You can see the IP55 protection, Class F insulation, B temperature raise make sure the motor could suitable for any hot environment. The Italy Aircom oil air vessel, which is the leading pressure vessel manufacturer in the world. France Schneider Electric System, which is also well known in the world. Italy manually oil tube. The service life is longer 5 times than original tube, and meanwhile, the flexible tube compared to the hot tube, it avoided the oil leakage caused by the machine vibration. As you see, every part of our air compressor is stable, energy saving, and environmental protection. So, if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us. We will go through any questions for you. We are looking forward to working with you. Thank you.